Hey, what's up guys? So this is the VOR Path 10.1 ounce fine mist continuous spray bottle. Really good for like watering plants or doing your hair. But I actually got it because I'm making a sign and I'm getting ready to stain this wood, and the particular stain that I'm using says to use a fine, even mist along the wood that you want to stain. I got this spray bottle to do that for me. I've used it on a couple projects and it works really great. And just to see, it is really fine atomized kind of particulates, even droplets over my surface here. But I also wanted something that was really reliable in terms of like dripping, right? You drop it over, turn it upside down, it doesn't leak. And it's just like a quarter turn lock and unlock. So looking for a good spray bottle, you know, for whatever purpose, I think this is a good option.